In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or make inactive a supplier in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever cleaned up your vendor list and wondered why there's no true delete option, here's the deal. In QuickBooks Online, removing a supplier means making them inactive. This keeps your historical transactions intact for reports and audits, while hiding the supplier from your active lists so you don't accidentally use them in the future. Before we start, make sure you're in the correct company and that you have the right permissions to manage suppliers. It's also a good idea to double-check that the supplier doesn't have unpaid bills or open credits. Making a supplier inactive won't erase those, but it can make your workflow cleaner if everything is settled first. Let's walk through it. From your left navigation, click Expenses and Pay Bills, then choose Suppliers. This opens the full list of suppliers tied to your account. If you have a long list, use the search bar or sort by name to quickly locate the supplier you want to remove from active use. Once you find the supplier, look to the far right of their row. You'll see a small arrow pointing down, sometimes just shown as a V icon. Click that arrow to open the Quick Actions menu. From the options that appear, select Make Inactive. QuickBooks will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to hide this supplier from your active list. Click Yes to confirm. After you confirm, that supplier is no longer visible in your active suppliers view and won't show up when you create new bills or expenses. Any past transactions remain exactly as they were, so your books and reports stay accurate. If you're tracking spending trends or reviewing historical reports, nothing will be lost. Only the ability to select that supplier going forward is removed. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you made someone inactive by mistake, you can bring them back later from the suppliers page by adjusting your view to include inactive suppliers and reactivating them. Also, if your navigation wording looks slightly different, it's typically just a regional variation, but the flow, expenses, then suppliers, remains the same. That's it. You've learned the clean, safe way to remove a supplier from daily use without compromising your accounting history. That's how to delete, make inactive a supplier in QuickBooks Online.